Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming my hair using a V-part wig from Wiggins. Okay, now this is the box that the unit came in. We're going to go into the unit later, but right here we have a edge control brush, we have a pair of lashes here, and we have an elastic band with the brand's name customized on it, guys. Like, I love how their name is on the products that they sent. Okay, well customized on all of the products here. Also, we have an HD wig cap and storage bag here that has all of their social media handles on the storage bag straight from the box. This is what it looks like right now. Here we have a 22-inch V-part kinky straight wig, guys. Okay, now this texture is similar to my hair texture. You guys are going to see the blend in this video. Okay, for the construction of the wig cap, it has combs, it has adjustable strap, it has elastic band, it has clips at the top, and we're going to be installing this gorgeous unit together. But before then, I'm going to straighten up the hair before I install the wig. Now this took me few minutes to straighten it up. Like, it doesn't take time. After straightening it up, this is what I have right now. Let me give you guys a close-up look of what it looks like. This is it.
I can't sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing.
And let's go into the installation of this V-Parts wig from Wiggins. I'm going to leave all the details to this V-Parts kinky straight wig in the description box for you guys. So click the link in my description box to get this V-Parts wig. I'm going for a middle part, and you all, my hair has new growth, so we're going to work with it like that. Okay, so I'm just going to section my hair and then show you guys the process. This does not take more than 10 minutes to install. Like, the max to install this is 10 minutes, guys. Okay, that is how quick it is. Like, these are the easiest kind of units or wigs to wear on a regular basis. Okay, like, they don't take time to install. And this particular Wiggins V-Part wig gives me the most natural look ever. Like, the blend is real, guys. Okay,
In too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave.
after sectioning my hair, I'm going to put the rest of my hair, just pack everything backward and then secure it very well before I throw on the U-part wig.
Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. I was so blind, waiting patient on the shoreline. Now you're leaving, but I know you got your reasons too. I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price.
For the U-parts wig, I'm going to open up the clip and then put it on my hair, then press it back. Okay, that is it, guys. Really quick and easy. So I'm going to do that for all five of the clips that is at the top of the wig and just clip it to my hair.
I should've known.
And for the combs, I'm going to also use them to secure the wig to my hair.
It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like
Now, this is what it looks like here, and I'm going to loosen up my natural hair and just cover everything up, guys. Okay, now this is it, guys. The blend is real, like you all, like this looks so much like my natural hair, guys. Okay, like I don't care. Okay, this is my natural hair, guys. Okay,
tidal wave, a tidal wave, tidal wave.
now I'm going to also use the comb and the adjustable strap at the back to secure the wig some more.
Tidal wave, tidal wave.
The next step is to straighten up my natural hair and unit together. I'm going to use my hot comb to combat my natural hair.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead.
I love this blend. Okay, I love how it looks right now. Like you cannot even tell that this is not my hair. The next step, I'm going to apply gel at the front of my hair to make it look sleek and clean. Okay, so I'm going to apply this all over the front of my hair. Not much, guys, like a little quantity of gel at the front of my hair and just make everything look beautiful.
Summer high, met you in August, New York.
After applying the gel, this is how neat and beautiful the unit is right now. And I love how natural it is. Like, this is my natural hair, guys. Like, I don't care, okay? This is my natural hair right here. Also, you can style this unit whichever way you want to style it, and it is really, really full, guys. And I love the length. This is 22-inch right here, and like I said before, I'm going to leave all the details to this unit from Wiggins in my description box for you guys. So click the link in the description box to get this unit and other units in their website. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next one.
Summer high, met you in August, New York.